I just bought this house at foreclosure. I bought it sight unseen. You are gonna enter it today with me for the first time. I see an issue right here with the septic tank. This here looks like it could be burnt. Looks like they had a pool right here. This looks newer and I think it's full of stuff. Enough here to recoup a little bit of money. Oh my goodness. I don't know if I feel good so far. I smell an odor. Oh my goodness. Food's left on the stove. That is nasty. And there are roaches on the back right there. They left food. So far, not so good. For whatever reason, this here was never trimmed out. More food. That is disgusting. Be careful when you come in this bathroom now. Looks like they were drinking a Dunkin' Donut coffee and didn't finish it. Not too bad. I don't see any major imperfections in the drywall. That's a good sign. This carpet is bad. It's gonna have to be replaced. Oh my goodness, what is this? That looks like possible throw up and then feces. Disgusting. Finally, this one's done behind me. Roaches, molded food in the pots and pans, the Dunkin' Donuts cup in the bathroom, the storage building out here. Y'all come on, we're gonna take a look around this property today now that it's been finished. I'm excited about how it's turned out. Come on. Right here on the exterior, pressure wash all the way around, light wash on the roof. Roof wasn't in too bad a shape on this one. Right over here, came over this, not a problem there, there was just a hole. We had the septic tank looked at, good to go there. New AC unit. Back here, this yard was a little bit nasty, especially on the back porch. And then this storage building out here. I thought I was gonna recoup some of the money, not so. This pile out here, completely gone, cleared it. This yard, mowed, groomed nice. This house has turned out pretty well, I'd say. Fresh paint all the way around on the doors. This was something else, pressure washing this driveway. There was a big paint spill here and a paint spill here. It took my pressure wash guy some amount of time to get this up. All right, y'all come on in, let's take a look. Here it is, LVP throughout, new paint. Do y'all remember how nasty this thing was? Roaches running everywhere. What surprised me is I thought this home was in good shape from looking at the outside. I did not expect that day when I came in the back door, I looked down the kitchen and I saw moldy food on the stove. It appeared that somebody just walked right out. They were in the middle of cooking and they just walked right out. When I got in here to the master bedroom, which we'll look at now, when I got in here, there was food sitting over here, like they had just been eating a meal. It was left. It was like they just walked out. I got in here, there was a Dunkin' Donuts coffee cup right here on this vanity, just sitting here. But I was surprised with just what I saw with this one. I wasn't quite expecting it. I knew this was a newer home, so it really wouldn't take much, but this thing was pretty disgusting the way it was. But come on, I'm gonna show you in the kitchen. So right here, if y'all remember, this was not cased out. I had this cased out. That's the way it should be now. I ended up leaving the cabinets, coming in with a fresh coat of paint on the cabinets, new countertops, brand new stainless steel appliances. This house looks like brand new now. For the bedrooms, as usual, I like to go with LVP in the high traffic areas, carpet in the bedrooms, fresh paint all throughout, new vanity, new toilet, nice fresh coat of epoxy over the shower. But I'm really happy with how this home turned out. As I mentioned, I was not expecting what I saw when I first got on the inside just from looking at the outside. I've got many jobs going right now. What I'm not so happy about is the timeline on this one. From start to finish, 120 days. I was hoping for 30 days. But hey, I got more jobs right now than ever. I can't complain too much. I would have had this thing done in 30 days if I could have had my guys here the whole time. But I've had them spread out among many jobs. Purchase price on this thing, 100 grand. Reno budget, 32,000. Where did I come in? 36,000. 4,000 over budget. Not good, not bad. Usually I like to stay within 5 to 10% of my budget or less. I'm within 10%. I hope to have this thing sold. Conservative sale price, 170, 180. You can do the math on the profit. I'm excited about getting this one on the market soon. This was a nasty one, turned pretty. Many things happened on this one that I wasn't expecting. such as the storage building. Thank you guys for making this happen, but I had a video go viral on this, and guess what? Good and bad. Somebody reached out to me from Kentucky, a company that owned that building. They identified it, and they said, money is owed, we're coming to pick it up. I wasn't gonna argue with them, I'm not that type of guy. I told them to come pick it up. That threw a hurdle into some things because I had planned on getting that stuff right out immediately. But then I had to wait a few days for it to come to be picked up. I've had my guys spread out on many jobs. I've purchased more property in the last 6 months than I ever have, which I'm proud of that. I had planned on having my guys out here working solid so I could knock this thing out in 30 days, but that didn't quite happen. Between problems, between many jobs, between being spread out, this thing turned into a 120-day job. But hey, I'm happy that I got more jobs than ever. Sometimes I like to have jobs ready. I'd rather have too many jobs than not enough jobs sometimes. Something I'll do to do a better job moving forward is I'll have more manpower. But sometimes I err on the conservative side and I don't want too much manpower. So I like to err on the side of having more work set up than people. So what I'll do moving forward is I'll hire more people and I'll make sure I'm in a better position to knock a job out like this in 30 days. Rather than it dragging on to 120 days or many more days than I think it should. Because obviously I'm paying interest. It's costing me money the longer it takes me to reno this thing. This was a fun one. Thank you guys for watching. I really enjoy this. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, tell your friends, and hit that notification bell. So when I post more videos, you'll be the first to see them. I'll see you on the next one.